Hello and welcome to this Excel tutorial video hosted by Adam Pearce of Strawberry 7. In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Sum and Autosum feature in Excel. Let's open up this Excel document and we'll see that we have a whole load of numbers here. Let's say that we want to add all of these together or sum these numbers, and we want the result to be here below the numbers. We can use the Autosum feature, which is found just here. And all that we do is click, and Excel will automatically select the numbers above the cell to sum them. We then just hit the Enter key, and the numbers are summed. Let's say that we have another set of numbers here. This time, if we use the Autosum, it will only sum this block of numbers. It won't sum anything above this gap. Well, that might be what we want to do, or it might not. Let's pretend that it isn't, and we want to sum all of the numbers in this column. This is how we do it. We click in the cell, and rather than using the Autosum feature, we type equals sum. This doesn't have to be in uppercase, bracket, and then left click on the first number that you wish to sum from, and with the mouse button held down, drag all the way down to the last number and then release. As so. Click, keep the mouse button held down and drag, release. Now close bracket, enter. And now this has summed all of these numbers. Excel has some useful features, such as highlighting in a box the numbers that are involved in the formula, and the box color relates to the color of the formula just here. We can do one other thing, which is quite useful. Let's say that we have these numbers over here. How are we going to sum this column and this column together? Well, we just simply do two sums and add them together, like so. Equals sum, bracket, select, close bracket, plus sum, bracket, select, close bracket, enter. This works in the same way. If we have a look at this formula, you can see what I was talking about here, where each part of the formula has a different colour and is indicated by the different blocks that the formula relates to. This makes it very easy to identify which part.
Finally, as always, thank you for watching. That concludes this video tutorial. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. If you have any suggestions for more videos you'd like to see, let us know. If you liked this video, please consider leaving us a like and subscribing to our channel for all the latest updates.